Okay, I told you it would be a two-part. Here's the second part. Also, I took a computer desk and I'm turning it into my control panel. As you can see, my 80 watt that I was using is here. I have it mounted to the table so it won't be pulled off or bumped. And my TMCC controller, as you know, it makes a small cradle off of from the back of it, and I put it down. And the wires are running through the back, on the back side, underneath the table there. Got a drawer here for my other remote, and my smoke fluid, TMCC. I keep my controls for my DCS manual, my TMCC manual, and some other things. Batteries for those things also. My toolbox that I keep for my track work. It's got my small screwdrivers, and inside of it it's got my knives and things like that for my cork bed and some other things like that. This is also, like I said, is also another part of this is my new power brick, 180 watt brick, and that is what I'm using to control almost everything on here. I've got some more connections to do, but I'm using TIU, using it on the loop that you saw in update 8 for the figure 8, and it will be on for the other 3 loops. And I want to use one of them also for my outside loop for my conventional, and I will be controlling that using the TIU and the DCS system. So got things to look forward to on that. And also power strip in the back here. As you can see, the circuit breaker is easily accessible right there, and then underneath it, this power strip has a on and off switch, which is just underneath the panel right there, and everything is wired in through the back and into that, and that is part of it. There's another thing I'm planning on doing with this shelf right here. I will keep that a secret as of right now, but there will be some more things to come. Oh, okay, there you go with that part. And here is the other part of the update. This is my wife's new engine. Yes, my wife's new engine, along with a constant of 2 of my engines.
Roger that. Take the green. Over. Copy that. Out.
And yes, this is a Lionel engine I am controlling off of my DCS. And that is the wife's Katie. And my Connery. We're gonna sneak one more in here before we go. To give you an idea, this layout will be nice and busy when it's up and running. There it is. It's the Amtrak. And all this is controlled off of the brick. And you know, you use a lot of power when you're going uphill. So you're looking at 4 engines running right now. So that's the update. So thank you for watching.